I am going to explain about the hyperbola. Hyperbola, there are two types there, like ellipse parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis. I am going to explain about the hyperbola which is parallel to the x-axis. In x-axis there are two chances there, center 0, 0, center h, k. First I am explaining about the hyperbola. The center is 0, 0. When center is 0, 0, the equation of hyperbola x squared by a squared then minus b square y squared by b square equal to 1. This is the equation of the hyperbola when center 0, 0, standard form x squared by a squared minus y squared by b square equal to 1. So how the diagram may be when center 0, 0, just I explain all the points. The vertex A you can take as a 0. That is a plus or minus a and a dash. Vertex a dash equal to minus a, 0. Then focus S1, that is a AE, 0. Then S2 equal to minus AE, 0. So vertex focus, then the equation of the directrix. So equation of directrix equal to x equal to a by e. Equation of directrix x equal to plus or minus a by e. That means x equal to a by e or x equal to minus a by e. So when center 0, 0, this is the equation x squared by a squared minus y squared by b squared equal to 1. Then what is the vertex, what is the focus, what is the equation of the directrix. Now the diagram. So x and y. So vertex a, 0. So center I take the origin 0, 0. What is the a? Distance between the center and the vertex. So a as the distance is what a. So a marked as a, 0. Then a dash minus a, 0, a dash. Then focus S1 AE, 0. It be after the vertex. So your vertex focus will come here S1 AE, 0. Then S2 minus AE, 0. So vertex here focus, you can draw the diagram like that. This is the equation of the this is the diagram of the hyperbola when parallel to the x-axis. Here how to find AE value? After A, then you have to find E value. E equal to square root of 1 plus b squared by a squared. In ellipse we learn E equal to 1 minus of b squared by a squared. Here E equal to square root of 1 plus b squared by a squared. So with the help of that, you are able to find the E value. Okay. Next, I have to explain about when center is not 0, 0, h, k. How it will be? If center h, k. First, you know what is how the equation will. The equation x minus x the whole square by a square minus y minus k the whole square by b square equal to 1. So what is the difference between the ellipse and the hyperbola? We can able to identify only the negative. In ellipse, x term, y term should be positive. In hyperbola, here y term negative when parallel to the x-axis. When come to the parallel to y-axis, y term become positive, x term become negative. So with the help of that minus only able to identify the given equation ellipse or hyperbola. Okay. Now center h, k, this is the equation of hyperbola. Then what is the vertex? Just I take the diagram, then I will go with the parts. Okay, actually you start from diagram. Just I already have experience with the ellipse. What is the ellipse? Same only will come. Diagram alone different. Ellipse, the focus between S1, S2 lies between A and A dash. Here after A S1, after A dash S2 will come. Okay. Now from the diagram I will explain how to write A dash, S and S1, S2. First you take the normal diagram. This is x and y. Okay. If I go and take the center h, k. So in x-axis length is what h. In y-axis length is what k. Suppose we take what center C equal to h, k. So when next you want to take A. So A is distance between center and the vertex is what? The distance is what? A. Already from here we have what h. Now what will come in A? The coordinate x coordinate already up to here h, then C to A, then become what h plus A. So the total length up to here, what is the length? So up to here h, then here take what up to here a. So up to total length h plus a, comma. What is the distance here? h comma k. Here y distance is k. In y axis what is the length? K. How I understand? With the help of center h comma k, the k represent in y axis that distance is what? The distance is k. So entire line should be what? Same only will come. So vertex a h plus a comma k. Then here s1 will come. Then we come to a dash. Then we come to what? A dash. So a dash before center here. If we take a dash here. What is a dash? So center to vertex, the distance is a. So from y axis to c, the total length is what? H. So what is this distance? So total length h, subtract a, you have to get what? This distance. So here h minus a comma k. Let's say a dash. Then come to s1. If I take s1 here. Now center to focus, the distance is AE. The center to focus is what? AE. Distance between the center and the S1. The distance is what? AE. So up to here h, the distance is AE. Then S1 become h plus AE comma k. Then what will come? S2. S2 equal to h minus AE comma k. So you can draw the line through the center, vertical and horizontal. And take as a capital X and capital Y. Vertex here center is there, so diagonal will be like that. So when center h comma k is a diagram. So simple we can write a equal to h plus a comma k. Then a dash equal to h minus a comma k. Then focus s1 equal to h plus ae comma k. Then s2 equal to h minus ae comma k. Then you have to find the equation of the directrix. So lies after the vertex, equation of directrix will come. So equation of directrix. So directrix d1 I can take d2 also equation of directrix. So distance between that particular point to C is AE. The distance is what? AE. So total height, then you can subtract here. Then d2 equal to x equal to h minus a by e. Here up to here a by e. Up to here is up to center h, the x-axis length. So here x equal to h plus a by e. So generally you can write the equation of directrix x equal to plus or minus h plus or minus a by e. So one is h plus a e, one more is h minus a e. It's the main thing when you think about the hyperbola parallel to the x-axis. Then the given name in ellipse they given, this is a major axis, this is a minor axis. Okay. When you come to here, it is mentioned that instead of major axis, use the word transfer axis. Use the word what? Transverse axis. Transverse axis. Then the minor axis mentions the conjugative axis. The minor axis mentioned as a conjugative axis. They use the word the length of the transverse axis, the length of the minor axis. In ellipse, use the word major axis, minor axis. Here, major axis means transverse axis in hyperbola. Minor axis means conjugative axis. Okay. Suppose the length of transverse axis equal to what? A dash equal to 2a. Same only, but the word about difference. Okay. So use the word the length of transverse axis equal to 2a. That means what? A dash. Length of transverse axis equal to 2a. Then distance between center and the vertex CA dash equal to A. Then in minor axis you take the point. Suppose you take B and B dash. Okay, what is the B here? What is the B here? Up to here cuts. Okay, the distance is what? P we take. For example, here you take minor axis. What is the B and what is the B dash? Here 0 comma B will come. Here what will come? 0 comma minus B. When you come to here, so B we take. We can't able to see here. So mark, I take the B here. So what is the B? In x-axis the length is cuts. When you come to K, it becomes A plus B. Then B dash how it will come? This is a B dash. This is a B dash. Suppose you take B dash here. B dash equal to h comma K minus B. Because up to length is y axis K. So K center to B is what? B will come. This is the equation of directories. Sorry. Here you can mark B and here mark B dash. So up to here y axis K, C to B is what? A B value. So H comma K plus B, the B value. Okay. This center is H comma K. Center is what? H comma K. Then B dash. So up to here K, we want reduce to B here. So H comma K minus B. So center vertex to A, then B dash. You can write 2B. Distance between center and B dash equal to B. So you instead of using two things, diagram and major axis use the word transfer axis, minor axis use the word conjugate axis. Remaining things are same only. Okay.